Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to unlink your bank card on your WeChat wallet. And this is promised to be a step-by-step guide. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or pinduoduo or IDFish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here now to open up my WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on me right here from the bottom. Next thing you need to do is to click on Pay and Service. Then click on Wallet. Then go ahead and click on Bank Cards. Then click on the card that you want to remove or unlink. Allow it to load up. Next thing you need to do is to click on these three dots from the top right here. And this is going to pop up. What you need to do is to click on Unlink. And in a few seconds, then here, enter your payment password. And in a few seconds, your card will be removed completely on your WeChat wallet. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about WeChat account or WeChat wallet or any Chinese, consider to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.